Today I'm going to be taking off the door on this 2026 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to run through it. I just want to see how hard it is. First off, I'm going to get a spot for it. So I've laid down a blanket. I might also lay down another one. I also have my scale out here. I'm going to weigh how heavy it is. They recommend you use 2 people, but you know, can you do it with 1? We'll answer that today. First off, we're gonna go up here. First thing we need to do is push our mirror in. So at the bottom, push that till that goes in. Then we're gonna go in the vehicle and roll our window down. So we come in, go into accessory mode and make sure the window, the window is inside the door, like so. Then we're gonna come down here to this thing. Do not pry, pull straight back. So just like that. Has a little safety connector. Now, one interesting thing is you can hear the key dinging to let you know that the door is open. Once you disconnect this, that will stop, or you can shut the car away. But it is a nice way to know that you have everything connected when you put it back together. So there, I shut off the vehicle, and then we have to pull this tab up and then flip this lever. So I like to use a plastic trim tool, that way it doesn't dent things. That guy goes up, then you grab this lever, and there is a click. So you might want to even, yeah, there we go. It's good to pry with this. Boom. And then that disconnects it and pushes it apart. Then the next thing we're gonna do is pop this. Make sure you got some slack. You might need to move the door in, but this needs to pop over this hook. Boom. Just like that. Then I have it just tucked into the little basket here. Now we have to move on to this guy right here. Then you take this, pop this up, pull. It is sticky. You can kind of wiggle the door back and forth. It's a firm fit. Now there's no regulator on the door, so make sure that if the wind is blowing, it doesn't just yank the door all the way back. This can go all the way to the wheel well. So make sure you keep a hand on it. This is not a bad job to have 2 people at all. So we have everything disconnected. Now all we do is lift it off of these hinges. So let's see, our window's down, our mirror's turned in, we have a blanket over there. Let's lift this off here. Let me go wide. All right, so definitely get a good stance, lift with your legs, and it's not too bad. I'm gonna put it over here. And definitely doable with 1 person. But if you do it just by yourself, make sure you can lift the weight. I'm gonna put this on the scale and see what it says weight-wise. I'm gonna say 38 pounds. Let's see how close I am. Woo! I'm way off. Oh, it is 50 pounds. I just weighed it. This door is 50 pounds, so if you can carry 50 pounds, taking it off isn't the issue, but getting these pins back in and lining them up, holding the weight, that's the tricky part. So let's put it all back together now. Now that we have it all taken off, now I'm gonna touch on the back. It's the same procedure. Roll your window down, come back here, but this is a little different. We gotta move our seat forward. And I'm just gonna show you this part of it. I'm not gonna get into the whole thing, but you pull straight back, and then this is your connector right there. So the way that this comes out, pinch this and pull. So once you have that out, it's the same exact process as the first one. You take this cloth strap off and the door will come off the rest of the way. Let me put this back on. Since this one's a little different, I'll just show you. This had little hooks that go in this way and then that presses in. So that's the back door. Same procedure, but a little different cover and connector. So let's get this back on. All right, this did not feel like 50 pounds. I think I'm getting stronger. Oh, so I might be getting my workout on. So I'm gonna line my lower pin and then my upper. This is where the second set of hands would be nice, but I got it on. It took some effort. It took some lining up to do. Then the very first thing I would do is get your safety strap on here, just so if it's windy, you don't want your door falling off. So I'm gonna put that guy on next. And just make sure this loop, if you can get it open a little bit, and then it just slides on. Now you got a little bit of a safety if the wind blows. Next, we gotta do this pin over here. And one thing is, it might be good to pull this pin out before you put the door on, just heads up. But it is good to keep it with the vehicle. So I'm pull this in, line it up. It is a snug fit, so give it a firm push. And that's it. We're connected here and we're connected here. So that's the regulator that kind of gives you those kind of bump feelings when you open the door, a quarter and then a full, so it doesn't just fly open. Then we're gonna get our connector connected, and this guy you line up here. There's like a little thing that needs to sit in here, and that's what's gonna pull it together as you pop it there. And then we put our safety there. Then we take our thing. This has to go in the reverse of what we put it on. So we have these little hooks, so those slide in, and then these pegs right here slide into here. And there we go. Boom, we're in. Not bad, actually. Not bad for a quick and easy door takeoff. Don't forget to turn your mirror out. If this was helpful, let me know, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good day.